We are here to celebrate Earth Day and also to have a very special lecture on waste management. All of you feel that waste is to be managed well so that our country is as clean as Singapore or other countries who are really having a real clean. When we go out, we take care that we don't throw litter here and there. But in India, we are not so careful, and then are not able to manage the waste which is getting collected in the big landfill sites also. So both the issues are very important. But before that, I thought let me talk about the Earth Day because we are celebrating the Earth Day also. And Earth Day, all of you are, I am sure, aware that it was started in 19. Anybody knows? कब से शुरू हुआ है? 1970. So today is 45th Earth Day we are having. And it's being celebrated because one of the uh, senator whose name was, I'm just reading out, Senator Gaylord Nelson. He was in America, Seattle City, and he said a lot of pollution is there all the time. So how do we take care of it? So he approached then President Kennedy, who was the president. And President Kennedy was really accepting this suggestion, but very soon he was shot dead. So the senator did not give up. He continued to pursue it for 7, 8 years, and finally in 1969 he was able to convince the leaders that now we are going to create awareness because our resources are finishing and pollution is increasing. What to do? How to take care of that? Suppose we have no oil, then what we will do in after 10 years, 20 years? That is what they thought. So he was able to persuade, and on 1970, 20 million people actually in America took part. And the idea was to create awareness among all. Because unless you create awareness about these topics, everybody cannot take action, they cannot be imposed. Like everybody is a user of resources, everybody is creator of environment and creator of pollution. We create our own environment and then we also create pollution. Do you agree with me? Okay. So this is how the beginning took place. In 1990, by 1990, a lot of people got interested, other countries also, Europe and other countries. So 200 million people were celebrating the Earth Day. And it became a celebration because that is the way how you make people know about it. And in 2010, there were almost 1 billion people on the earth who were celebrating Earth Day, with also creating a network of 22,000 organizations, Earth Day network. So Earth Day network, have you seen anybody knows about the network? What is a network? What do you call a network? Anybody? Suppose there are more than one institution, and if they keep communicating, now you have a social media as a network these days, very common example. So this 22,000 organization in the world, across the world, are having Earth Day network. Then came the Earth Hour. Earth Hour we celebrate in the month of March last week, 8 to 9. So we thought we can save lot of electricity by not using it. But Earth Hour and Earth Day are not the solutions. Let me tell you, it is to be done everyday basis. Practice everyday basis to conserve the resource. And if you can read this here, don't panic, go organic, burnt calories, not oil. So you have to think in terms of recycle, reuse, and as already Karishma told, that we have to conserve. So basically this is the focus. Now we celebrate days like International Earth Day on 22nd April. So the program goes on for the week or even before. Many people celebrated on 21st, if you see. And like India has now announced a program. What program? Yoga Day, International Yoga Day. So we are going to have Yoga Day in June, 21st of June. So that is how we create awareness about yoga. Now we want to spread the awareness about yoga throughout the world. So that's why we have taken this initiative. This was taken in America, and now it is spread over 192 countries in the world. Everybody takes part in some way or another. How many countries do you think world has? 192. Huh? 198. No, little more than that. 192 are participating, but little more than that. Okay, so that is beside the point. So I'll just go through to give you a feel of the theme. Uh, okay, very quickly. So happy Earth Day to all of you, and the Earth is doing just fine. Hope you agree with me. Let us see. Do you agree or do you think we are not agreeing? Okay. Uh, if I can say that we are having a better quality of air, we have now found new resources. So resources are not so much of constant, and also we are having a longer life on Earth. So there are a few things which are adding to it also. So I think we can feel happy on Earth Day that Earth is so far doing fine, though it was thought. So just I was telling you about the network. So this year's India's theme is शहर ग्रीन करो, ये इंडिया की थीम है. तो लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ आर बिगनिंग ऑन द city level, smart cities and all that. Then there is a very active campaign on Go Green Srinagar. On Srinagar, lot of activities have been planned. Actually, 45 cities have been identified to go green. Then there are awareness drives on waste management, which you are going to hear from our eminent speaker, and air quality. And also there are organizations like museum, they are also doing lot of awareness factors. Just look at the Delhi air pollution. Dr. Sawat is here and he is going to the air pollution committee, how to handle the issue. But if you see all the three main pollutants, carbon dioxide, PM is what? Particulate matter, 2.5 micron size, very small, which can be inhaled, and 10 micron, which is bigger. So all the three are different. These are the 3, 6, 7 locations in Delhi. And if you see their levels, for CO it is 60, for most of the places it is 100 and more than 100. For particulate matter, if it is 100, the all is 200. So all the values are higher. So pollution is really a critical issue. And then coming to the, so how to manage the waste? We have a campaign, Clean India, all of you know. Now let us see the grim picture of it. Clean India drive lands in a dump. This is one of the things, like we always see this kind of view on the, whenever we go out on the roads. So then crackdown on burning of garbage in open areas. There are always, we see, collect garbage, burn. So that causes lot of pollution also along with the uncleanliness. Let us see some more. Untreated hospital waste goes to landfill. It's very bad, you know. How hospital waste has lot of things, toxic things, and it should not go to land. Okay. No recycling. So landfills are choking. Another problem. So these are things. A silent killer called e-waste. What is e-waste? Computers? Yeah. Huh? Electronic waste. Okay. So that is increasing. You see? E-waste dismantles flout pollution safety norms. I mean, that is becoming so unmanageable. What to do? And on the top of it, CFL. We all went to a CFL drive, compact fluorescent lamp. Now it is a source of mercury. So LEDs are being introduced. So we still don't know what is the solution for CFL waste. Because if we break it, the mercury will go in the air. So we have to find a way to collect the mercury. So that's a problem. So now I come to the Earth Day again. It is our turn to lead. This is the global slogan. You all can lead, basically. So Wazirpur unit asked to treat wastewater. So there are activities like wastewater has to be treated and reutilized. So again, Defense Colony takes matter in own hands for its waste management. So in pockets, there are a lot of efforts going on, but Delhi population of 13 crores or 14 crores, You can imagine that how much waste we are producing, and more waste, more energy consumption means more waste. So we are producing much less per person compared to other countries because they use more energy, but still we are producing waste. So what to do? Have a business model, have an integrated look. This is a solution. Somebody collected paper from home, made recycle it, and have earned 24.8 crores only from this activity, waste activity. So it can be profitable. You can produce energy from waste. You will hear all these details. I'm just giving a glimpse. So finally, I just want to end with this quote of Pope Francis, who said on the Earth Day, we should have to keep the land so that it can continue to be as God wants it, the source of life for the entire